I am so excited. We are in the back of our new warehouse for START. We have a beautiful office and a great facility to help you guys intentionally start in 2023. This is going to be an unboxing video sharing the 2023 line because we've had a lot of changes and we're visual around here, so we wanted to make sure that we showed you exactly what's coming and what to expect. So we always have our quarterly undated. That is available at any given time. It's undated, so you can start, it's a 90-day cycle. This is for our dated planners, which starts January 1st and goes to December 31st of 2023. So we have 3 binding options. We have case bound, spiral, and A5. So I'm just gonna show you real quick what that looks like. Case bound is a lay flat. So lay flat case bound so that you can lay flat on your desk. That is one binding option. The next one is spiral. Spiral is exactly what you think it is. It's a spiral. It does give you the ability, if you only want to see one day at a time, it gives you that ability by flipping it all the way back. And the last one is an A5 binder system. So you have 6 holes. It's a binder system, giving you the ability to customize what your planning experience looks like. So with the 3 binding systems, we also have 2 versions of planning, which is daily and weekly. So we have daily. Daily planners is only seeing 1 day at a time. Saturdays and Sundays share a day as well. Let me show you that. So Saturdays and Sundays share a page, and then every other day gets its own day. That comes in case bound, it comes in spiral, and it also comes in the binder, which is the A5 system. So if it's bound together, spiral or case bound, it's bound 365 days, ready to go. So if you don't want to think about planning, you just want to go, those would be your best option if you prefer a daily planner. The A5 binding system comes, you've got the tabs, then you've got your daily planning pages. So if you want to have all of your tabs, but only want to have 3 months of your daily planning pages, you can do that. It allows you to customize your planning experience. So that is a daily page as well. Then after daily, we have weekly. Weekly is exactly what you think it is. It is 1 week at a time. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is a weekly planner, and again, you're gonna have it in case bound, or you're gonna have it in spiral bound, all right? So all of our planners have the START system. So if you're coming here and you're like, which one has these different planning features that I need and love? They all have that. So I'm gonna quickly go through the overall function and layout of the planner so that you know what the START system is about. It's about helping you intentionally start. All of those things that we kind of forget about, out of sight, out of mind. Apps don't work. It's just like we need something in front of us, prompting us on what to do. All of these planners have the START system. It really just depends on how do you want your planner bound? Do you want spiral? Do you want A5 or do you want case bound? And do you prefer seeing a whole week at a time or 1 day at a time? So now let's go through the START system. So this is our START system. So again, it's so much more than a planner. It is a book, it is a guide, it's a goal planner, a financial planner, a wellness planner. And of course we have the calendar and schedule planning components as well. So you first go into the planner, we have a welcome note, strategies to win, what you can do quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily, tips for success. And then we're gonna go into the goals section of the planner. So we've got goals, plans, calendar, and then every single month in all of our planners, you have a monthly overview, and then it goes into whether it's a daily or a weekly planner. So the goals section has the vision board, has affirmations for success, setting goals in specific areas of your life, breaking down specific goals with action steps. Then it has finances and savings from January to December, planning out what is your estimated and your actual savings or your loss, and allocations, how you're gonna get there. So that's gonna look at your current cash assets and your current liabilities. We have an entire video showing you guys how to utilize the financial planning components of this planner. It's so important. Then you have the plan section, which is the home life maintenance. It's a seasonal task that you need to get done around the home. It's cleaning, it's the charity, Entertainment, what are you looking to do that year? Where are you looking to grow, which is the education. Then you have a vacation planner. And you also have a holiday planner. Some pages you also will see have a download section. If you need another download or additional ones, you can grab those as well for free. Then you go into the calendar section of the planner. You've got yearly overviews looking at the big picture. This is a legend showing you the specific things that are going to be on the daily or the weekly spread. Then every single planner has a what it can look like if it's fully implemented and to be expected. Then you have a monthly overview. You've got last month's wins, goals, health check, projects, and then every single month you have a monthly budget, looking at it estimated versus actual. You've got cards and gifts so that you can plan out the birthdays and the holidays and the events for that month, and then you have extra notes. And then you've got weekly perforated tear out grocery list so that as you're planning your meals for the week, you can plan out a weekly grocery list that you can take with you. And then you go into the daily or the weekly section. This is the daily planner. So the daily planner, you can see Saturdays and Sundays, share a page. You've got gratitude for the weekend and a prioritized to-do list for the weekend, education for the weekend, and you have your self-care over here to the right. You have from 6:30 to 9 p.m. And then on a daily dated planner, every single day that's not the weekend has its own page. So this is what it looks like. You've got Monday from 4:30 to 10:30 p.m. and you can time block out emails from 9 to 11. Then you have gratitude. So every day we should start our day with gratitude. Then we have a prioritized to-do list, self-care, education for that day, and then planning out breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. I like to sit down on Sunday and plan that out to back into that weekly grocery list. So I'm not thinking about food. You've got prayer or quotes or scripture, whatever that looks like for you here, inspiration. Then over here you've got water tracking. How much sleep are you getting, your prayer incarnation time, vitamins and supplements in the morning and the PM, working out and assessing your energy for that day. And then the monthly overview of a daily planner, it is from Sunday to Saturday, looking at an overall month. All right, so here is a weekly planner. So you have a monthly overview that is a Monday start, so Monday through Sunday. You can see your weekend is over here. And then you go into every single week. You have gratitude for the week, a prioritized weekly to-do list. This can be scripture, quote, however you want to use that, self-care for the week, education for the week. And then you have from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. and you can allocate to-do lists. So if I need to get emails done from 9 to 11, get emails done. You got another area for to-do list down here, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then planning out your self-care, which is working out your energy for the day, your vitamins, your supplements, your prayer, how much sleep did you get, and making sure you're getting enough water. So from Monday through Sunday, you've got a weekly spread so that you can plan out and allocate how you want to start. All right, so that's our 2023 line. If you're still unsure on which planner is right for you, you can check out startbrands.com, click on Start Planner. We give you guys free downloads of the weekly and the daily. That's how confident we are in our system. Try it for a couple days, and we know that you will want to start with us, having the complete system helping you to step every single day. hello@startbrands.com if you're still unsure or if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much for being here, and here's to an amazing 2023.